Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so excited to be talking you through today our Excel Enthusiasts, which is a part of our Microsoft Minis series. We've already had Word, we've had PowerPoint, we've had OneNote, and now we are tackling Microsoft Excel. We're going to give you the skills to get started in Excel and to tame that very scary beast that I know that a lot of adults are a little scared to tackle, but I know that you are all Excel enthusiasts. Thank you again so much for joining us. We have loads of Microsoft sessions going on just now as a part of our summer sessions. Thanks to Digitize for them. We've got our Microsoft Minis that are happening this week, and next week we have our Microsoft Main Stage events, which will allow you to create your own music festival, which is really exciting. So, back to Excel enthusiasts, let's go and tackle that function tool, and I'm going to make your lives so much easier. I'll see you there. Okay, so here we are on Excel. Now you might notice that things are a little bit different. You can hide and you can bring out your ribbon, which is just this kind of top menu up here, by clicking on this little arrow up here. I like to have it down, but it's up to you how you choose yours to go. So today we are looking at the functions. Okay, so that's this one here. We do have the auto sum that is chosen already, and we do have more functions in here. There's honestly hundreds. There's so many. I don't even know what all of these mean, but I know that the most commonly used ones are in here. These are the ones that I use. So things like VLOOKUPs, ifs, counts, these kind of things. So we are going to focus today purely on sum, okay? So if I click on up here, we get auto sum. So it's going to put in that function for me. It's kind of like a code essentially. It's telling Excel what to do. So equals sum, open bracket and then close bracket. Now we can start putting in our numbers. So let's add two numbers together. So let's go for 3 plus 4, and then I hit enter to essentially equals. Okay, so 3 plus 4 is 7, and when I click on the cell you can see 3 plus 4 equals 7. There's my sum up at the top. If I need to change it at all, I can go in at the top and I can change that number. 3 plus 7, hit enter, and there we go. There's our answer. Let's go for subtract now. So we hit auto sum, and now it does automatically pick a cell for you. So what's really clever about Excel is it will kind of do some of the work for you. So if you've got some numbers in cells already, then you can just select that cell and then pull it down. We're not going to do that just yet, but we will do it soon. So subtract. So we're going to go for 30 minus, and we're just going to put 15. Okay. Enter, and there is our subtract sum. 30 minus 15 equals 15. Nice and easy. Divide. Okay, now we know that the start of sum function is equals sum in capital letters, open bracket and then close bracket. So let's put equals sum, so we'll do it ourselves, open bracket, and now we're going to divide two numbers. So when I divide, I use the forward slash. So let's go for 100 divided by let's go for 5. 100 divided by 5. Now it's not finished yet. We need to put our closed bracket on there and hit enter, and there's our answer. 100 divided by 5. Easy peasy. And lastly, we're going to multiply. So again, equals sum, open bracket. Now this time, let's find the easy way to do things. Let's make it easy for us. We can select cell C3, so 10, and multiply is this little star thing here. It's above the number 8 on my keyboard. Might be somewhere else for you. So multiply is the star. So C3 multiplied by C4 equals 150. Easy peasy. Now you can do more than one sum in there as well. So we could do equals sum, open bracket, C3 multiplied by C4 multiplied by C5, and then we could have a plus C6. Close bracket, enter, and there's our answer, 3,150. Okay, so you can do multiple sums within there. You just need to remember your BODMAS, but that's pushing the levels a wee bit. So don't worry, just think about how you can use multiple numbers in your cells. So now that we know how to use the sum function, let's head back a sheet. And I've got your questions out on the right. Don't worry, they will be on the timer once we're done. We have our little help guide down here for anyone who needs help remembering plus, minus, slashes, divide, and star is the multiply. And we've got our little 4x4 multiplication square here. So what can we do? I want you to fill this multiplication square out, and then once you've done that, I want you to answer these questions. Okay, so start off, we need to fill this out. So equals sum, open bracket, 1 multiplied by 1, so we'll go B1 multiplied by, because they're always going to be multiplied for this one, A2, close bracket, enter, done. Easy peasy. Now, it doesn't particularly work using the grab handle when you're doing sums. It will do later on, but for this example, it doesn't work, okay? So you're going to need to type it in. That's why I've only got you doing 4x4, okay? Nice and simple and easy. Once you have done that, I would like you to answer these questions, okay? So what is B5 multiplied by D2? Well, to find that, you're going to need to do equals sum, open bracket, B5, 5 multiplied by D2. Now, I don't have any answers in there because I don't want to give you the answer away. So if you get 0, you know that there's nothing in there. Okay, none of these answers should equal 0. So that's what I would like you to do now, is I would like you to use the equals sum, open bracket. So you're going to use this auto sum function, there it is up there, to fill in your 4x4 multiplication square and then answer these questions. Okay. If you need help, I'm sure there's multiple people in the class that can help you with this one. We've gone a wee bit harder now, okay? We're pushing it a little bit. So good luck. I will see you in 10 minutes. You've only got 5 questions to answer and make your multiplication square. On you go. Amazing work, everyone. Well done. You will see that I've got the answers just there. Okay, so if you need to know the answers, they're all there. The answers, you'll see that I've done them from sum as well. B5 multiplied by D2 is 12. E5 divided by C2 is 8. E4 minus C3 is 8. B2 multiplied by D5 is 12. And C4, oh no, I put multiply. What am I like? Let's change that. I did it on purpose. Plus, there we go, E5 equals 22. Well done to anyone who spotted that mistake. Well done, fantastic work. Yeah, I will see you out on the big screen in just 2 seconds. Incredible work, everyone. Well done. You are all clearly Excel enthusiasts, and I hope that you have enjoyed today's session. I've had a great time exploring the functions. Today specifically, we were looking at the sum function, which is equals, sum in capital letters, open and closed brackets. Yes, I hope that you've enjoyed that. I hope that you use it going forward with your maths, and your homework is going to save you a ton of time if you've got big numbers to multiply out. And yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed it. We do have other sessions. We've got 2 more sessions this week. We've got for our Microsoft Minis, our Excel Enthusiasts, and next week again we've got loads of Microsoft sessions coming up, including our Microsoft main stage, where we will be creating our very own music festival. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's session. I will see you all tomorrow for our 4th episode of the Excel Enthusiasts. I'll see you there.